Carbon?
Yep, double-sided. Holy shit.
Dude, this thing is super light.
Dude, it looks fucking beautiful. Oh my god, yes!
Seriously, dude. This thing weighs
Holy
nothing.
Oh, that looks beautiful. Yes! That weighs nothing.
Nothing.
It's so light. On the shipping information, it said it weighed 45 pounds, and I was like, okay, but that does not feel like, that feels like 5 or 10 pounds. Okay, so they're the weather seals. And I'm assuming some hardware in here. Yeah, these are the brackets. I think they're for the rear. How the fun bit starts installing this bad boy. So the first thing that we're gonna have to do is these little guys right here. If you look right there, that seatbelt moved. Gotta unscrew those, it's a Phillips head. Gotta do that on both sides. Just unscrewed both of these guys, laying right there. I left the nails in them. Next we should just be able to pop this guy off. Ugh. Go, that guy popped over there. Alright. And that's out. Perfect. Alright, next, gotta get this guy off now. I'm gonna pull back to release it from that guy. Ugh. Right. That's simple enough. Bunch of leaves. Just for reference, I wasn't sure if you already view that. That's the location right there. A bit more undone, and it's coming off. Perfect. Make sure you don't lose the screw. Then you should just be able to, boom, pops right out. And there is a lot of leaves. But that puts us in clear view of these guys right here. So that is what we are looking for. Catch that, we're using this bolt right here, this bolt right here, and then this guy right here. Since it's Japanese, I'm pretty sure all this is a 10 mil. Huh! So look at that, I stand corrected. This 10 mil does not fit this guy. Let's see if it fits this guy. Okay, it does fit this guy, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this guy off. It's so soothing for the sound of a wrench though. Leave this guy right here for now. I'm sure you, I don't know if you can see that. Pretty sure this is the, let's see. Yeah, it's probably, these two right here, they're probably 12 millimeters. This one was a 10. But let's go get a 12. Ugh. Initially, my dumb ass thought you were gonna do it this way. No, so it's these guys going this, it's these guys going this way. See how the holes line up just so beautifully? Okay, that's 2. And bing bam shaboo. There we go. And boom, would you look at that? Bracket installed. The hardtop's pretty much installed already. I'm gonna currently leave this all undone. I wanna test fit it and make sure these all line up before I bolt everything back to place. I really don't know if you could see me. Get to work on the Phillips. This. Okay, that feels pretty loose. What even are these things? Are these things like these coat racks? Like what the shit? Hang back here, honestly. I'm kidding, I know they're for like a baby seat or something. Right? Swear to God, this is like the 3rd time I've checked. It's gotta be, there it is, thank you. So for those wondering, if you kind of strip the inside of your Phillips head and it's got like this outline, kind of good. For those of you who strip your Phillips head and use a socket for it, this is an 8 mil, if you have one. And there she blows. All right, you just be able to pop it off. Let's see. This over here. Okay. All right, and Come on. Show me some love. Get out of there. There we go. Finagling it out. Alright, finagle 1, finagle 2. Of course, more leaves! Wow, that was so much! That all fell out of here. That's a nest. That is a nest of leaves. Yeah, when fall hits Houston, it hits Houston. Oh man. You know, I don't even ride with the top down often. Really. I don't know how all these leaves got in here. Alright, so we're gonna do the same thing, 1, 2, and 3. 2 12 mils, 1 10 mil, right here. Go. Simple enough. Okay, so now that we have both of these things installed here and here, we could test fit. But before I test fit, I need to install the weather seals. I don't want it resting even on this, even though it's like, I guess it's like plastic. I don't want to risk scratching my hardtop. So I'm gonna put the rubber seals on, test fit, be fit, do skids. Yeah, going around the whole hardtop with adhesive to put the weather seals on. It already comes with some sort of adhesive, but we're just going the 1 extra mile to make sure it really sticks. Just had Roberto mount a weather sealing. For those wondering, we started at the edge here. We didn't put it on this. We didn't put it right here. Right in the middle, right along here. Went along just like this. Came around over here, and boom. That is it. This is from other weather sealing, but just gonna make the cuts, and then gotta undo the bolts there, do the bolts there, and bolt it up to the actual car. You got a heat gun, use it. Will really help the drying process speed up. So these go to the back with the brackets we just installed in the car, but these actually go to the front latch, and that's something I haven't done yet, and that's something I forgot to do. So the front here, you're not gonna undo this, you're gonna undo this. If you press this button down, come through here, if you see those 2 screws, that's what you gotta undo, and then install them onto your hardtop that is resting and awaiting for you over there. Oh, come on. Alright, there we go, that's 1. Well, almost 1. Come on, there we go, that's 1. Okay, so it's later on that night. We had to get out from Imperial because Butch had to be at a Rockets game or something. He was nice enough to let me use his shop. They're there for like, what, an hour or two? But we're back home right now. We pretty much had everything done. Last you saw, we were test fitting the hardtop, and I have it right here in front of me. Fitted, it was 6 bolts. It went relatively easily, but let me just show y'all still. Okay, so you can see, got our 3 bolts there, these bolts here, and then same thing going on the other side. And may I just say that this thing looks absolutely incredible. It's about 10:30 right now, so traffic should be calm, and I know 1 or 2 locations where I'm gonna go get shots. I'm gonna go get some photos of this car, and I'm gonna get an ending sequence for this video. So pumped for this hardtop. I'm absolutely in love with the way that it looks. Damn. Any questions about this hardtop, please put them in the comments down below. I will be answering any and all questions. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this edit. I'll catch you on the next one. Just say, oh crap. Blooper.